Discussion Post and Peer Response 4, Chapter 5. Remember that when you do these, you're going to be doing first your post. Make sure it's APA format for both the in-text citations and the reference list. And make sure that your peer response is going to talk about the post or the theory. The theorist, in this week, it's going to be Quintilian and Confucius. Make sure that it speaks to that as well as to your ideas regarding the prompts and the specifics of the prompt. The prompt for this time, both Confucius and Quintilian designed a theory of education to prepare public officials. Remember from chapter 2, we had Confucius, Chinese, and we had Quintilian, which is Roman, and the Romans were taking over the world at this time, whereas the Chinese were taking over all the Asian areas, and the Romans were taking over this vast empire. Designed a theory of education to prepare public officials. Both of them did this. Now compare and contrast their ideas on educating public officials. Compare what were the similarities and contrast what were the differences in their ideas about educating public officials. Make sure you emphasize part of it talking about the comparison and part of it about the contrast, and make sure it's about public officials. There are many parallels and there are some differences. Which theory would be more applicable to contemporary American society and education? Are we preparing officials? Are we preparing leaders? I believe we are. We're preparing teachers in the College of Education, and I believe that they are public officials just like Quintilian and Confucius would be preparing as well. So you pick out which of those, it's one or the other, and then tell me why you've chosen which one seems to be better from your point of view, which would be more applicable to American society and education today. Call me if you have any questions.